Jay. Today I play Sound Machine Nightlight.
This is the Sound Machine with Nightlight. It is sleep therapy, so we're going to test it and see.
Let's open it.
This is the white noise machine user manual. This is the top of it. It's got these buttons down here. This is the back. This right here is for the headphones. We got to try it out and see if it helps you sleep at night. This is the USB charging cable. You're going to want to open this, pull this sticker, close it up. So now we're going to switch it on. Let's see. Ooh. That is the white noise. Ooh. There it is. It lit up. This is more white noise. This is another one. Ooh. Look, you just changed colors.
It's red. See? It's colored purple.
So when you touch this, it's going to change the color. Okay, this is volume down. And that is as low as the volume gets. Raise it up. See how loud it can go.
Wow, that's loud.
Is that wind?
Yeah.
What's that noise?
Minecraft fire. It's a big fire. That's cool.
Some soothing sounds.
It's a bubble fishy thing.
Sounds like a storm. This is the fetal noises. That's a purring cat. Ticking clock.
That's a bell.
That one.
Big bell.
Yeah. Do you think any of these noises would help you sleep?
Yeah.
Reminds me of summer. The crickets.
What's that?
Sounds like a train. Ooh. This is some calming music. Lullabies for babies.
It's a beautiful thing ever.
These are the different colors. This M button here is change the light. So you can change it here, or you can change it here. If you hold the button, it gets dimmer. That's as dim as it gets. And then if you hold the button again, it gets brighter. And it works with each color. If you press the timer, this is the indicator light for 30. The next one is 60 minutes, and then this one is for 90 minutes. Do you love it?
Yes. Now it's got music and light.
He's fallen asleep to the sound of birds chirping. He wanted the birds to chirp, and he wanted the white light, and now he's asleep. I would recommend this.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Have a good day. Bye-bye, friends.